Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss what is lists in HTML. So let me tell you, there are two types of lists in HTML. One is ordered list and the other is unordered list. The main difference between an ordered list and an unordered list is that an ordered list is used when the sequence of items is important. For example, steps in a recipe, while an unordered list is used when the order does not matter. For example, shopping, a shopping list. So to use unordered list, we use the tag ul, that is unordered list. Then we use the list index li, and let's say we write HTML. So you can see this is unordered list. So if I write down the ordered list over here, that is ordered list, and I use the list index, and let's say I'll write learn HTML. So you can see the main difference is sequence is not important, whereas in ordered list the sequence is important. One is before the list. So if I continue this list, it will write like this. Let's say CSS like this. You can see the changes alongside, and in ordered list write down learn CSS. So you can see the difference over here. The unordered list no sequence, and ordered list that is sequence in HTML. So this is the main difference, and you can use both lists depending on your requirements and use it. So this is a short tutorial on lists in HTML. Thank you.